Welcome back to our channel. PENGU Coin is making noise again with some major updates in just the past few days. Let's quickly break down the latest price action, Coinbase listing, and what could happen next. PENGU recently moved from 1 cent up to 7 cents around its launch, but the hype didn't last. The price dropped soon after, and now it's back near 1 cent. If it slips further, it could even hit $0.003, adding another zero. Not great, unless you're planning to buy the dip. One positive sign, a massive PENGU token burn happened recently. Like we've seen with other coins, burns reduce supply and can boost price over time, but don't expect it overnight. Also big news, PENGU is now listed for both futures and spot trading on Coinbase, alongside Popcat. This kind of exposure can lead to price jumps, but as we've seen before, that hype can fade fast. Short term? Volatility. But if it drops near $0.003 again, that could be a solid entry point. Long term? If burns continue and awareness grows, we might see it reach $0.007 again by 2026. That's your quick PENGU update. Like, subscribe to our channel, and always do your own research before investing. Catch you in the next one.